How's it going, everyone? I'm Darren Snell. I'm with the Airborne Battalion. I'm here in the beautiful city of Toccoa at the Currahee Military Museum, just a couple miles away from Camp Toccoa at Currahee. And if you've never been to this museum, let's take a quick walkthrough and see why you have to come here as soon as you possibly can. Stay tuned as we have more planned operations coming to the city of Toccoa, Georgia, and we hope to see you on a drop zone very soon. Airborne all the way, live the legacy.